Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Nobel Prize 2024 in Chemistry. The Nobel Prize for Chemistry 2024 was shared by David Baker for computational protein design along with Demis Hassabis and John M. Jumper for protein structure prediction, the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences announced. Last year, the Nobel Prize for Chemistry was jointly awarded to Munji G. Bawendi, Louis E. Bruce and Alexei I. Ekimov for the discovery and synthesis of quantum dots. The prize, widely regarded as among the most prestigious in the scientific world, is awarded by the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences and is worth 11 million Swedish crowns, that is 1.1 million US dollars. One of the discoveries being recognized this year concerns the construction of spectacular proteins. The other is about fulfilling a 50-year-old dream, predicting proteins structures from their amino acid sequences, the Academy said in a statement. Half the prize was awarded to Baker for computational protein design, while the other half was shared by Hassabis and Jumper for protein structure prediction, the Academy said. About protein structure. Protein structure refers to the intricate three-dimensional arrangement of amino acids in a protein, which is crucial for its biological function. The structure of proteins is typically characterized into four distinct levels: primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. The primary structure is the linear sequence of amino acids in a polypeptide chain held together by peptide bonds. This sequence is encoded by the genetic information in DNA. The secondary structure arises from local folding patterns within the polypeptide chain, primarily stabilized by hydrogen bonds. The tertiary structure refers to the overall three-dimensional shape of a single polypeptide chain. The quaternary structure involves the assembly of multi-polypeptide chains, that is subunits, into a larger functional complex. Not all proteins have a quaternary structure. Those that do include hemoglobin and DNA polymerase. Now it's time for the practice question. Which type of bond primarily stabilizes the secondary structure of proteins? Ionic bonds, hydrogen bonds, covalent bonds, or van der Waals forces? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.